An independent testing firm recorded the sound levels from 3 competitive models and a Cummins power generation unit of the same power rating. All the recordings were made at 7 meters from the units on the same day under the same weather conditions. All the units have the same load applied at 3,600 RPM. Here is the RS20A from Cummins Power Generation. Okay, that's the RS20A. Now, here's competitor A. Once again, the RS20A. Now let's listen to competitor B. And the RS20A from Cummins Power Generation again. Now, here's competitor C. And once again, the RS20A from Cummins Power Generation. To put some numbers to what you just heard, the RS20A is between 2 and 3 decibels quieter than the competing brands. The evidence is clear. From every angle, the Cummins Power Generation RS20A generators are clean, quiet, and neighbor-friendly. Contact a Cummins Power Generation representative or visit power.cummins.com to learn about all the features that set the RS20A apart from the competition.